I got a flat. Let me show you how to change the tube. First, we need to take out the wheel. Putting the chain to the smallest cock will make it easier to remove the wheel. Depending on the bike, take off the axle or nut or quick release. We can take off the wheel with one smooth motion. Hold the wheel down to the ground and lift out the bike from seat tube or seat post. Now we see it again in slow motion. With the wheel off, we park the bike. It is very handy to have a bike stand like this. This bike stand is very functional and beautiful too. Now we need to let out the air in the tire if there is still air in it. Push the tire in, separate the bit from the rim. This is the tire lever. It is helpful. Having two is even better. Stick the tire lever into the tire like this and hook the end to a spoke. Stick another one to the tire and pull the tire out of the rim like this. Pull out the tire section by section will save you some energy. Soon, the whole tire will be loose and you can easily take out the tube. Check the old tube to see where the leak is. I noticed the leak is near the valve. Check the corresponding location of the tire for damage. Make sure the tire is in good condition before you install the new tube. Pump some air into the new tube will make the tube easier to manage. Stick the valve into the hole of the rim. Line up the valve with the logo on the tire to make this job look better. Now gently put the tube into the tire. Take your time to make sure the tube is inside the tire nicely, and then we push the tire back to the rim. It will be very easy at the beginning and might become tighter by the end. If it gets too tight, push both sides of the tire toward the center of the rim to make the tire looser. Using the rolling motion to roll the final section of the tire into the rim. Now it is in. Perfect. Pump up the tire till the air pressure stays on the tire. Now we put the wheel back. Put the chain back on the smallest cock of the cassette. Then gently push down the rear derailleur. The wheel will smoothly go back to the bike frame. Now I do it again slowly. Just like this. It's done. Finally, we put back the thru axle or nuts or quick release. It is done. This is how to remove the wheel, change the tube, and put back the wheel. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.